Here is a Mickey Mouse vintage clock. I'm about to put it up on eBay. I've had it put away for years. The kids loved it. Actually learnt to tell the time on it. It was a fun way of teaching. Has the second hand as well. Beautiful. What's missing is the tip of the number 4. It should have a little gold shiny piece on it. Maybe you could buy an additional one on eBay or paint it green. Gold, excuse me. Okay, what happens? To set the time, you have a little butterfly thing there, and you push it in and set the time, which I have done. Now, to clean it, this is still a bit dusty. I've worked on it a long time, but just get a cotton wool bud, damp it with any cleaning material, and just clean in between as you go. That's simple and easy. It's best to do that when all the batteries are taken out, so there's no movement. Right, let's have a look. Oh yes, sometimes these can get stuck if you've taken it out of the box. So they are metal, so you can bend them to make sure they're not overlapping or get stuck. Right, and you can also take them all off and reposition them. I don't think this is supposed to move, but it can. But I don't see there's any mechanism making them work inside. Okay, let's do a demo. There's a demo button here.
Time to get a move on.
Okay, every hour you'll get that sound and it will tell you what time it is. I'll do it again and get closer.
Have you seen the time? Time sure is flying.
That's brilliant. There we go. See you on eBay. Ask any questions. I'm here to help. Thank you for watching.